Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about a complete tutorial on Meta Business Suite. But before we begin, please hit that like button to show us your support and help our videos reach more people. Now let's get started. Are you using Meta Business Suite to manage your business activities on your Facebook page? Meta Business Suite is a platform where you can manage your Facebook page, Messenger, and Instagram account all in one place. You need to have a business account to access this platform. You can access the Meta Business Suite as you type in the URL business.facebook.com, or you can access your personal account and look for the Meta Business Suite in this section, or go to your Facebook page, then access the Meta Business Suite there. By default, you can view the home page. On this page, you can create a post, create an ad, create a reel, create a story, or bulk upload videos. This section shows the insights for your page, such as the audiences, trends, and messaging in the last 28 days. Under the to-do list, you can check the unread messages, comments, and other things that require your attention on your page. If you have opened one of these unread messages, it will no longer appear as a bold text here, and all that will remain in this list are the messages that you haven't opened yet. It also offers you to grow your audience. You can reach out to your existing network to invite more people to follow your page. Below, you can manage your marketing content on this page. It shows your recent posts here. As you scroll down, it will show you the recent ads that you have created for your page, and this section shows you to explore more ways to grow. Next, the notifications menu. If you have new notifications, a red dot will appear here. For recent activities, you can view high priority notifications that require immediate attention and other notifications that you haven't checked out yet. Next, inbox menu. You can view a separate page for all the messages that you receive on your Facebook page and Instagram if it's connected to your account. You can view each message here, and you can reply directly in the section. On the far right, you can view the profile of each user. If you think that this person is one of your leads, then you can mark this person as a lead. In this section, you can add details about people, such as their contact number. Under labels, you can assign a label to each person. Next, content menu. It shows where you can schedule, publish, and manage posts, stories, reels, and more. Next, commerce menu. When you click on this menu, you can view your product catalog, shops, promotions, ads, and insights. Next, planner menu. This shows a calendar where you can schedule your posts, stories, ads, and even create moments. Next, ads menu. This section allows you to create, manage, and track the performance of your ads if you're running them on Facebook and Instagram. Next, insights menu. This tool allows you to view the statistics of your page. You may notice a pop-up window that shows a summary of your activity, goals, results, and audience growth. Next, the All Tools menu will provide you with a list of tools that you can find, such as tools where you can engage the audience, manage accounts, advertise, analyze and report, a list of tools to sell your products or services. Next, you may notice the Edit button here. This button allows you to select the tools that you want to be visible on the left menus. By default, these are the 6 tools selected here. You can select tools to add or remove. Next, Help menu. Click on this button and choose the Help option. A Help tab will be shown on the far right corner of your screen. This section allows you to search for articles or choose recommended articles. Now let's talk about how to use the Meta Business Suite Planner. Sharing content on Facebook pages and Instagram is now easier as you can use one platform to create and schedule posts. When you need to share content to attract more followers, you need to prepare ahead of time so that you can have more time to attend to important business activities. When you use Meta Business Suite's planner, you can save time by uploading multiple contents in one day without posting them all at the same time. It makes an assurance that you have content to be shared with your followers every day. You can stay consistent with your posts. If you prepare ahead of time, you can make sure that all posts are shared within the specific time that you prefer. First, prepare your content. You need to know what type of content you should share with your customers. You can prepare your visuals using free tools like Canva to create professional-looking content for your posts. Use it to find templates for your Facebook posts. It has templates with default dimensions that are ready to use for your content. Just look for the templates that you want to use. Edit the photos and the text if needed, then download the image. Next, prepare the content with a caption that you need to upload. You can place it in a notepad, a Word document, or an Excel file. This way, you can spend a little time uploading and scheduling the content that you've prepared, since you've already prepared the text to write in your content. To access the Planner tool, go to your Facebook page's Meta Business Suite. On the left side menus, look for the Planner tool. Now, when you're on the Planner page, you can see the Create button on the upper section of your page. Click on this button to view a drop-down list and choose an option. You can create a post, create a story, create a reel, bulk upload videos, or post videos across pages. Now let's create a post. The first section shows the Facebook page where you can share this post. Under Media, add a photo or video that you've prepared for your content. It also has an option for you to choose a template. You can create your own or select a template from a specific category. Let's try using this template. You can see a preview of the template that you can use to showcase your product in this section. Click Customize. Try to customize each section of your content. When you're done, click Save. Now the video is seen in this section as the preview. Under Post Details, add a caption for this post. As you craft your caption, it will be shown in the preview as well. If you want people to send you a direct message as they inquire about this post, use the Get Messages feature to add a Send Message button on this post. Under the Scheduling section, choose Schedule. Next, choose the date and time to schedule your post. You need to determine the specific days and times that you want to share your content. This way, you can be consistent on how you can share your content on your Facebook page. Now click Schedule. Once you've scheduled the post, a thumbnail of the content will be shown on your planner. You can view each content and edit the content if needed. Now let's talk about how to use the Meta Business Suite to create content. Meta Business Suite has content tools that you can use to publish your content. You can use the Content tool to schedule, publish, and manage content. Under the Content menu, you can view posts and reels, stories, A/B tests, feed and grid, mentions and tags, and clips. On the first option, click on this button, Create Post. Add media using these buttons. You can upload from your desktop or add from File Manager. Then add the post details here, such as your post's caption. You can publish it now, schedule, or save as draft. Let's schedule it. Next, choose the date and time to schedule your post. Now click Schedule. All scheduled posts can be seen under the Planner tool. Going back to the Content tab, you can view the tabs Published, Scheduled, Drafts, Expiring, or Expired. Next, let's create a story. You can also create content using the mobile app for the Meta Business Suite. Click on the Create button and a pop-up menu will appear. It gives you more options for creating content such as post, reel, photo, story, or ad. Choose Story. Upload the media such as a photo or video. Next, add text to your story. Then use this button to upload a story. Next, you may notice that there are also scheduling options here. You can share now or schedule at a later date and time. Choose the date and time to schedule your post. Now click Schedule. Now let's create a reel. Click on the button here. Then upload a video for your reel. Once you upload a video, you can see a preview of the reel in the section. Below, Add the details for your reel. Describe what your reel is all about, then you may add a thumbnail below or upload a photo that you prefer. Also, you can add a collaborator to your reel. They will automatically be invited for this reel. Select the collaborator from the drop-down list. Then click Edit. You can add an audio here and choose a music to add. You can use these tools, such as crop and trim, to edit your video. Click Next to start sharing your video. You may notice that there are also scheduling options here. You can share now, schedule at a later date and time, or save as a draft. Below, you can enable or disable Facebook Reel mixing, which allows users to use your reel as they remix videos. You can leave this option enabled. The next topic is about using the Meta Business Suite Insights. Meta Business Suite offers tools that can help you with your business, especially on Facebook and Instagram. Go to your Facebook page and access the Meta Business Suite. From the left side menus, look for the Insights tool. By default, you can view a pop-up window that shows your last week's page insights. The first section shows your activity, such as the published number of contents in the past week. This includes Facebook posts, Facebook stories, Instagram posts, and Instagram stories. It also shows your goals. If you haven't set up your goals yet, click this link to get started. This is an important metric so that you can track your progress. Next, you can view the results for the page reach on Facebook and Instagram. Below, it shows the number of new page likes on Facebook and Instagram as well. To view more insights on your page, click the button View All Insights. Overview. If goals are seen on top, prioritize this section. Click Get Started. Then choose a goal. In this section, choose a platform to apply your goal. Select a goal that you'd like to achieve. You have two options: increase reach or grow followers in 28 days. Next, set a goal. Choose from Starter, Immediate, Advanced, or Custom. For now, let's choose the recommended option. Under Reach, it shows a daily and cumulative graph of Facebook page and Instagram reach. Click on this button to see a more detailed overview of your content. You can explore the reach and engagement for your Facebook posts, Facebook stories, Instagram posts, or Instagram stories. The content section shows you each content that you've posted on your page, including stories. The results section shows the reach, page, and profile visits for your Facebook page visits and Instagram profile visits. You can also view the new likes and follows in this section, which allows you to determine if your posts attract more people to react or engage with your content and also follow your page. Next, Audience. This section shows the goal that you have set. For this example, the goal we've set is to grow Facebook page likes for this time frame. It also shows you a graph so that you can view the results easily. Below, there's a button to create an ad that allows you to boost your post and promote your page to attract more followers. This section shows your audience. It shows the tabs Current and Potential Audience. You can invite your friends to grow your page likes. The potential audience shows the demographics such as age and gender and the top cities that are more likely to be attracted to your page. Next, the feedback shows the average rating and responses you receive on your page. Next, benchmarking. You can compare the performance of your business and content with similar pages and businesses on Facebook. Below, it shows the suggested Facebook businesses to add. You can also add businesses here. You can search for businesses in this pop-up window. All added businesses here are added to the top of the list. Under Video, the performance comparison shows the number of times people are staying to watch your video. Under Audience, it shows the growth rate and video views from your followers and non-followers. The audience trends show the percentage of viewers who watched your video for about a minute. Next, Loyalty. It shows the follower activity. Below, you can view the returning viewers and engaged followers. These data will show you if your viewers are enjoying your videos. The retention shows where your views are coming from. Below, it shows how long people are watching. The breakdown shows the number of people and the percentage of people who stayed within the first 3 seconds, 15 seconds, and 1 minute section of your video. Next, video earning. The video earning shows the breakdown of your earnings from in-stream ads, stars received, and ads on Reels. Now let's talk about the Meta Business Suite inbox, how to communicate with leads and customers. Having a business page on Facebook allows your business to be discovered by your potential leads and customers. So it is important that you would respond as soon as they send you messages on your business page. You can use the inbox tool in Meta Business Suite to communicate with your customers from Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger. You can manage all messages you receive using the inbox tool. Click on the automation icon on the top section of the inbox tool. This page allows you to create automation. This section allows you to assign conversations, identify unanswered messages, custom keywords, page not recommended, contact information, hours, location, or comment to message. Let's try using one of these recommendations. You can assign new conversations to people on your team. Tap on this button to enable this feature. You can apply this on your Messenger or Instagram. Choose an option if you want to assign conversations to all people in your team or to specific people. Then click Save Changes. Below, it will show the current automation that you have created for your page. It shows you the goal for each automation and the channel to apply it. Each of them can still be edited here. Select this automation to edit. Then make the necessary correction here. Now let's create a new automation. Click on this button, Create Automation. This is where you can create your new automation, start from scratch, or choose from these available templates. You can greet people, such as creating an instant reply or away message. Below, you can apply more templates for your automation. First, let's automate responses using the instant reply. Use this feature to customize and automate a welcome message. So whenever someone starts a conversation with your business, they will receive the instant reply that you have set here. If you have created an instant reply before, you can now view them below. If you're going to create it for the first time, you have to click on the Create Automation button and look for Instant Reply. Now craft your instant reply here. You can personalize it, then craft your greeting message. Then click Save. Next, away messages. Don't forget to set up your away message. If your business is not open for specific days, such as holidays, then it is important to set a message that you are not available to attend to your customers' requests and let them know that you'll get back to them as soon as you get back from your vacation or holiday. This way, your customers and potential leads will not be disappointed as to why you are not responding to them as soon as possible. Just set the specific days and hours that you are away so this message will be triggered and will be received by anyone who sends you a message during the time that you are not available. Next, frequently asked questions. You can save time as you prepare, save, and reuse the most common response that you send to your leads or customers. Enable this feature. Under Channel, click Messenger. Below, you can start adding questions. Type in a question in this field, then set a message. This feature is useful if you notice that you are receiving the same questions from your customers. It will save you time, so you don't have to start from scratch when responding to different customers and send the same messages. Next, respond in a professional tone. It is best to reply to your potential leads without sounding like they are talking to their friends. If they are your customers, you can strengthen your relationship with them by using their names and asking how their experience was with their last purchase, and you may ask how you can help them. Next, respond to your lead within 10 minutes. This is important since people nowadays expect to receive a response as quickly as possible. For example, a buyer who is looking to purchase a product that you are selling might need to purchase a product where the business responds to their message right away. If you don't respond within the 10-minute frame, They might look for another business that offers the same product that you are selling. Now let's talk about how does Facebook page monetization work, requirements, and income scope. Monetizing your Facebook page allows you to create content and get paid for videos you upload. Take note that not all page owners can enjoy Facebook's monetization benefits. You need to meet certain requirements first before you can monetize your content on your page. In this example video, a text is shown on the section of the video within a 1 or 2 minute frame, and it tells the viewer that an ad will show up in a few seconds and will be followed by an in-stream ad. These are short ads in the form of pre-roll, mid-roll, and image ads. It can be 1 or 2 sponsored ads, and your viewers will need to finish the ad to continue watching the video. Each time a viewer finishes the ad, you'll earn money from it. Before your page will be eligible for monetization, you need to follow 3 sets of rules. First is the Facebook community standards to ensure that your posts do not violate the rules when posting content. You can click this link to learn more about the community standards. Next is partner monetization policies. You can learn about what type of content are eligible for monetization and also what prohibited formats that cannot be monetized. The third rule is the content monetization policies. You can check this link to learn more about the rules against violent or profane content. These rules help ensure that you don't violate anything that can hinder the progress of monetization on your page. Access the All Tools menu on your Meta Business Suite. Below, you can find the monetization here. Under Main, you can check the status if you're violating anything. You can check your page eligibility using this button. Below, it shows if you have met the criteria to apply for monetization tool access. First, in-stream ads for on-demand. You need to meet this criteria so that you can start earning from in-stream ads. You must publish videos from your Facebook page and not from your profile. You should publish videos that are eligible for in-stream ads that are at least 1 minute long. Most in-stream ads will show up after the first 2 minutes of the video. It shows the recommendations such as growing your audience, creating engaging content, or building your library. You can see your progress in this section. If you haven't met the criteria yet, it will show you your progress in percentage. So you need to have a minimum of 5,000 followers, create more videos, and attract more people to view those videos. Next is subscriptions. You can create a subscription for your page and earn a monthly income. Subscriptions can offer exclusive benefits and grow your community where people can subscribe to support your content. For this monetization product, you need to grow your audience and make engaging content. You can have a minimum of 10,000 followers or 250 weekly returning viewers and 50,000 post engagements or 180,000 minutes viewed in the last 60 days. Next, stars. You can receive stars, which can allow you to earn money and also interact with your followers. It can show up in live videos or reels. Your audience can view a star icon on your video with a text, "Give." Your viewers can send you stars as tokens. They can send 50, 100, 200, or a custom amount of stars. They can also send stars with icons like what you can see here. And your viewers can send stars with a comment. To start receiving stars, you need to have at least 1,000 followers for 60 consecutive days. Next, in-stream ads for live. You can decide which videos you want to monetize with pre-roll, mid-roll, or image ads. You should grow your audience to have a minimum of 10,000 followers. You can broadcast engaging content and consistently publish live videos to attract more video views. Now let's talk about how to use Meta Business Suite Inspiration Hub to make killer content. It is tough to create content that stands out and appeals to your audience as they browse their news feed. Facebook Creative Hub is a useful feature for content creators and business owners to help you create mockups for your Facebook ads. You can test and check the preview of each ad placement without publishing the ad. You can access the Meta Creative Hub within an ad account. Go to your Meta Business Suite, then click on the All Tools menu. Under Advertise, click Ads Manager. Click on these three lines. Under Advertise, you can see the feature Creative Hub. When you use Creative Hub, you can bring your creative ideas to life with mockups. You can even add collaborators and start working together. Then see what your ads will look like everywhere they will appear. When your mockups are ready, you can find them in the Ads Manager so that you can use it in ad campaigns. Now click Create Mockup. You'll see this page where you can start creating a new ad. In this section, start writing an ad name. You can also create a template here. Select the Facebook page to apply your mockup. If you have an Instagram account, you can select them here. You can choose a format, such as a single image or video, or even carousel. Now let's try with a single image. Now it is recommended to use apps that can help you create professional-looking graphics for your content. Let's use Canva. Now choose a template that you can use for your content. You can upload photos and edit the text as well. Once you've created and downloaded the media, go back to the mockup page. In the section, Add Media. Then upload a photo. It will show up in the section. Click the photo, then click Next. This is where you can set up your media. You can check the preview for feeds such as in-stream for videos. For each placement here, you can crop or replace the image. The media will also show previews for stories and reels, apps, and sites. Also, the right column, search results, and instant articles are also shown here. Now click Done. Now let's create a primary text. Tell people what your ad is about. Then write a short headline below. Include additional details about your ad. Make sure that your headline is catchy and that the entire text will show up below the image. Check the preview. If it's too long, the headline might be cut off. So choose the right keywords to include in your headline. Under Destination, you can select the website or a Facebook event here. Copy and paste the web URL for your ad. Then select a call to action below. You can choose from the options that are useful for your ad, such as send a message, shop now, or sign up. The created ad is shown here in the preview. You can browse this section to check each placement that are available for your mockup. You can view placements such as Facebook or Instagram feeds, stories and reels, in-stream ads, or search results. Now let's talk about how to find copyright-free music using Meta Business Suite. Music often comes with a license that protects the rights of the owner, and these types of music has royalty fees when you use it in your content. Facebook has a collection of royalty-free music and sound effects. You can use it in your content without paying royalty fees to the owner of that music. If you're sharing videos using Facebook Stories or Reels, you must know where you can find the copyright-free music section on Meta Business Suite. It's called Sound Collection. You can also use the sound collection on your Instagram Stories and Reels. You can be at ease to share your content without the fear of copyright infringement. Now let's access the sound collection on our Meta Business Suite. Once you're on the Meta Business Suite page, choose the All Tools menu. Under Engage Audience, choose Sound Collection. The sound collection has tracks and sound effects. There are thousands of audio tracks and sound effects that you can browse and use for your content. It has sections that can guide you on where you can use these tracks for your videos. You can pick the music for your videos. Click on this arrow button to browse for more tracks. You can listen to the music before you decide to use it for your content. Once you've decided to use it, you can download it using this button. Use this player to listen to the next track easily and fast. And you can use these buttons to check the sections of the track. You can also use the Quick Pick section that shows music tracks per category of music. You can select each category to view a list of tracks that belong to this genre. If you select multiple categories, then the results for tracks found will contain a mixed collection of tracks that belong to these categories. You can also use the search bar to look for tracks that can be relevant to your content. Just type in a keyword, and you'll find multiple results here. When you're using your mobile app, any user can create stories or reels and add music from the collection. Just upload a video that you want to use, then tap on the option Audio, then Add Music. This section allows users to find and look for free music to use in the videos that they want to share. If you search for the music that you have discovered on your Meta Business Suite, you may notice that this song can also be found here. You can save it or just tap on the music. Now the audio shows the music cover of the selected music. It's also possible to edit the music so that you can select a section of the music that you want to include in your video. Now let's talk about book client appointments on Facebook using Meta Business Suite. You can boost your page visibility as you allow your clients and customers to schedule appointments to avail of your services. If you have set up the Book Now call to action button on your page, you can set how you want your customers to book appointments. You can select Require Manual Approval. This option allows you to confirm their request first, and they won't receive confirmations as they book their appointments. Under How many appointments do you take per time block, you can choose from one appointment only or multiple appointments. For single appointments, the time is no longer available to other customers once that time is already booked. Multiple appointments allow other people to book the same day and time, even if someone has already chosen that appointment schedule. For this page, you can add another service that your customers can use to book an appointment. To access the appointment tools on your Meta Business Suite, go to the All Tools menu. Under Sell Products and Services, click Appointments. On this page, you can collect and manage appointment requests and communicate with the customers to confirm your availability as well. It shows all the upcoming appointments, requests, confirmed, and archive appointments. All completed appointments are shown under the Archive tab. Confirm bookings. If you select the manual confirmation option for bookings, you can approve, decline, or reschedule the appointment. This section shows the appointment details that your customers or clients have booked. If you approve it, the client will receive this message. Under Settings, you can adjust the availability of the appointments for your business. You can easily edit the time per day using this button. Just adjust the time here and click Save Changes. Under Online Booking, you can enable this feature if you want the Book Now call to action button to be seen on your page. You can also set the time zone that your business is located in, appointment approval, notifications, which enable you to choose if you want to receive notifications from booked appointments on Facebook and text messages, enable a double booking, advanced bookings that allows you to set when is the soonest and how far in advance people can book on your page, and set the start time display and customer reminders. You can click on the Create Appointment button here. From this pop-up window, you can create a new appointment for your customers. Just type in the customer name, then select the service from this drop-down list. Next, set the start date and time from this section, then add the end date and time. You can also add staff notes in this field to inform your team if there are special instructions that they need to apply to this specific appointment. Then click Create. Now the appointment is shown in our calendar of appointments. The next topic is about manage your media assets using Meta Business Suite Media Library. Meta Business Suite has a media library to collect all your media files that you use for your ad campaigns or even mockups. To access the Meta Business Suite library, go to the All Tools menu on your Meta Business Suite. Select Ads Manager. Click on this icon. Under Manage Business, select Media Library. This page shows all the business accounts that you own and are associated with. Now select a business account. Now this is the media library for our business account. In this section, you can view the list of folders that you have created in your Creative Hub. Click on a folder to view a media that you have used here. This shows the media name, the date, and the category. Add elements. Now click on this link to add Facebook ad elements from your media library. Next, upload ad elements. Click the Add Ad Elements button to view a drop-down list. You can add images and videos, add mockups, or import from Ad Account Media. This pop-up window allows you to drag and drop files from your computer or select a folder, and all the images and videos under that folder will be uploaded as well. You can click the link, choose folders on your device. Click Duplicate Options to select an action for duplicate images or videos. You can upload everything, skip duplicates, or replace the old ones with a new duplicate. The folder that we have uploaded is now added to this list. We can move this folder to another location. Assuming that there's no folder yet available to move this folder or files yet, let's create a folder. Click on this button, Create a Folder. This pop-up window shows the current location that you are in as you create a new folder. If you need to create a folder outside this current location, cancel this and go to the location where you want to add a folder. Click the Create Folder again. Create a business media folder. You can use these types of folders to organize media associated with your mockups or your advertising promotions. Write the folder name and then add a description. Choose a name that can help you determine what this folder is for. Then write a short description that allows you to learn more about the media files under this folder. Now click Create Folder button. Now click on the new created folder. Now start adding files to this folder using this button. On the top section, it shows the buttons Create Folder, Folder Settings, or Explore Creative Apps. Under this new folder, we can still add another folder as well. Now you can see the location of this folder that we are creating. Now click Create Folder. Then let's click this button to add elements in this folder. Now let's add images and videos. All these media added will be stored in this folder's location. Next, add mockup. You can assign mockups to an ad account. Select an ad account below. If you have multiple ad accounts, you can select a specific ad account to apply a mockup. Then click the Create Mockup button. This redirects you to this mockup page. Once you're done creating a mockup, it will be added to this list. Next, import from an ad account. If you have existing media in your ad account, you can use this option to import them here and store them so that you can manage your media assets here. Next, folder settings. This shows the name, description, folder ID, business owner, date created. You can add people to manage your media under this folder. Just select people from this list, then assign access. You can also assign partners here. Just enter a partner business ID and assign partial access or full access below. If you need to delete this entire folder, just click on this option. Managing your media assets using the media library can help you organize all the images and videos that you are using for your campaigns. Now let's talk about manage page roles and access using Meta Business Suite. You can allow people access to your business page and control their access on your page as well. This way, you can limit their activities on your page and still protect your account. Take note that it is best not to add anyone to be your Facebook page's admin. Admins can remove another admin in the page. If you are the owner, you can also be removed from being the admin of your Facebook page. To avoid it from happening, you have to be the only admin of your page. You can manage page roles on your Facebook page settings, but it is best to use the Meta Business Suite to manage page roles. Now go to your Meta Business Suite. Choose the All Tools menu. Under Manage, choose Page Settings. You'll see a new tab redirecting you to the new Pages Experience Settings page. If it's the first time to access this page, you'll even see a welcome message and an option to take a tour and learn what is new about this new Pages experience. Now let's close this window. Take note that if your Facebook business page doesn't have the new Pages experience yet, then this is what you will see as you click on the page settings. Now, assuming that your page has the new Pages experience already, this is what you will see. Click Settings. From these left menus, click the new Pages experience here. By default, you'll see the page access. This is where you can manage and view the access of people that you have added to your page. If you haven't added anyone to manage your page yet, you won't see anyone under the Facebook access or the task access. First, people with Facebook access. If you're going to add and assign a new Facebook user to have a Facebook access, then you can learn about Facebook access here. Now you can see this page showing who should have access to this page. You can search by name or email. You don't have to be added to their friends list to search them. Now select from this list. You can see this page that this Facebook user can be given access to the content, messages, community activity, ads, and insights. If you don't enable this button, this person will have partial access. If you enable this button, this person will have full control. If you give full control, it will allow this person to remove access, add new Facebook user access to this page, and also delete the page. Now click Give Access. Next, you need to enter your password here. Then click Confirm. This invitation will expire in these number of days. In this example, it'll expire in 31 days. Next, people with task access. Click Add New. Click Next. On this page, search people to give task access. Take note that you can no longer add a user who is already in the Facebook access list. This page allows you to give access to this person. You can also add people to have access to your content, messages, community activity, ads, and insights. You can enable some features here or choose all. Now click Give Access. Now let's talk about how to create posts and go live using Meta Business Suite. Access your Meta Business Suite. On the top section, you can find the Create Post button. You can also create a reel here. First, let's create a post. Click this button. You'll be redirected to this page where you can provide the details for your content. You can add a photo, a video, or use a template. Now let's add a media. Click this button and choose Upload from Desktop. Select a file. Now you can see that the photo is uploaded and the preview is shown here. Add the post details in this field. Below, you have options to add emojis, add location, add a Get Message button, create an A/B test, or a link preview. Under scheduling options, you can publish it now, schedule, or save as a draft. Click Publish if you need to publish this content now. Next, let's create a reel. Click this button. This page allows you to create a reel. This shows the Facebook page where you will share this reel. Click this button, Add Video. Upload a video for your reel. Once uploaded, you can see the preview of your reel in this section. Write a description of your reel. This way, people will know what your content is all about. You can also choose a thumbnail here. You can add a collaborator. Just type in the name, then click Next. On this page, you can use these tools to add audio and edit the video. Now search for a music from the sound collection to use in your reel. Select the music that you like. Below the video, you can adjust the volume of this video and also the audio used for this reel. Click the Crop tab if you need to adjust the video. Click on the Text tab to add custom text to your reel. As you type in a text, it will also show up in the preview. You can use this section to edit the font size, the text color, the background color, and the position of the text. Next, click Trim. If you have a long video, you can trim the video to make it under 60 seconds. Just use this to move the start time and end time here. You can share this now as you click on this button, schedule it, or save it as draft. Next, go live. You can go live using Meta Business Suite. Click on this button and you'll see the option Go Live. You can view two options. You can click Go Live and create a test broadcast first before going live. Enable this button to create a test broadcast. Then click this button. Make sure to select a video source. It can be your webcam or streaming software. Click this drop-down list to choose if you're going live now or later. If you're going to schedule, set the date and time here. Then write what your live video is about in this text field. Write the title and the description. Now click this button to go live. Once you're live, you can see the insights, the comment section, and below, you can create a poll to engage with your audience. Once you're done going live, just click this button. So that's it for today's video. But before the video ends, here's something you shouldn't miss. If you need help to make courses and training, we have a marketing app that can help you create your own online courses that actually get sales. Create amazing courses with Udemy-grade customer experience. It includes profit and conversion boosting plugins. It integrates a popular payment system. It even supports video courses on any platform. It has a rich interaction with built-in comments, reviews, and questions. Create awesome courses. It would be easy for you to set up, and your students will love the user-friendly experience. Access dozens of ready-made templates for everything. Customize your course themes to make it feel unique with your branding. Students can resume course playback where they left it. So try Course Funnels now. Go to the URL getcoursefunnels.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.